good morning na. It's already, what, 1:54, almost 2. So I'm gonna sleep. I'm gonna take a little rest. I'm ready to sleep. See you in the morning. Good morning. So it's 6:30. I'm gonna wake up and start doing my uniform.
Um, 7 a.m. Sakto din kayo siya na mana akong labaan. Done with my laundry. So, since 10 pa ang class and it's still 7, matulog sa kajut mga 30 minutes power nap. Then after mag-shower nila yun. So, it's already 8:20. I did not sleep. I just scrolled down through Facebook and did my friend's something na mag-print siya. So, I did edit her work. And karon 8:20. Only have 30 minutes and 1 hour to prepare. So, I'm gonna take a shower.
We're good to go.
We're late.
Turn everything off na. Nadiritanan. Boarding house tour. That's our view. Nang akong skirt. Ako rin siyang patasan while mag-print ta. Remind me. Ako si Nice.
That the students should be involved in the
First period done. Change pa ba na akong answer? Gani mo ha. Hi, good morning! So we're on our way sa amo ang second
Pagdali ang desherdo. I'm so pretty.
Ang bayot kay Layden. Di siya mo yung una na matawag. Janice! So, 4th floor, dadto sa taas, like, dadto gyud mo. So, we're going to run. Particular kay si Sir sa panga. So, 4th floor pa. 3rd pa din. Ayaw makaubo ko. D.
Malawa, Manaid, Mariska,
Present, sir.
Mayagma. So I just post itong classroom kung saan aktiban sila ng imanan. Yes, sir.
Joey! Rich! Joey! Hi, Te! Thank you, kay Te! Ano ba nagdagan? Lisod kong tabo.
Ay, maganda.
Gagi ni, manggod ka ni, malatang gimin. Oh, like ano. Muting matak ko siya. Yes. No, nice, maguday ka to ang kuan. Carinderia. Or say confession. Live action sa Rooney Kinshi. Cutie ko yung cutie man itong place. We're going home na. So hi, so we're back sa mong BH. Dayon, since na ay days ang SAS department or ang CAS department karon, so we have a lot of instructor from that department na dili available. So that's why wala may class like the whole afternoon, which is loaded gina siya usually every MWF. So right now we have extra time, and then we have another class nga mong i-attend at 5 p.m. unya. So in the meantime, we're gonna have mag-rest, and we're going to do our pending activities nga daghan kay siya pending activities. So yes, see you later.
So yes, nakatulog na ko. I had my nap. I almost forgot nga nag-video kuan man ko today. So I did my makeup na. We're getting ready for our next subject, which is the last subject for this day. At 5, so at 4:30 we're gonna go there na. So we're just catching up to our subject because hope basig mag-quiz ang amo ang instructor.
Lanadi flash. Beach cream.
Tapos, dili mo na, kung saan mo sa bata kung wala pa nang nakuha, di ba?
Bro, dili naman ito akong i-discuss rin. Wala lang na-discuss.
In fact, i-discuss ha kung sa the arrangement sa periodic table of elements. Kung usa siya nga group 1A siya, group 2A, o sa kung group 1A sa English represent earth alkaline ba, non-metal and metal groups ba.
Yes.
Aha. So para makabuhat ang taro nila ang activity.
Hello! So, the class is done! Finally! It's already 7 in the evening! So, we're going home! This is my friend, my roomie. She's so pretty, but I'm prettier. Oh! We're going home na! So it's already nighttime. 7. We're going home. This is my roomie. Lunch? Dinner. So we're gonna decide pa. Exit. Isa ko, aduha mo, aduha. Oh, okay ra para sa tuang tulog. Sadya. Pila gali basta chicken? Wow, look at the moon. Look at the moon. Basta kaming bumili.
Our dinner.
It's yeah, it's chicken. How much? 50. So yeah, 100 pesos.
Naay sisili na ani ketchup, soy sauce, and nagagray.
Yeah, everything. We're the last customers tonight.
Galing na. Oh, double cheese.
Are you gonna pan or there is na tag-out dinner? Sige, go dinner.
Tagwan to water.
Oo.
Pero lamin nun kayong coke.
Girl dinner. Sakto mo pa daw kayo ingon. Girl dinner. Girl dinner. Sila yung mga certain things na dito. Yeah. 4 na.
Hello, so time check, it's already 12 in the evening. So it's basically February 22. So yeah, so that was the end of my day. So I'm preparing to go to sleep na. Hanggang sa susunod. Bye!